Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1962 Chevrolet Bel-Air. Now, this car is, yes, kind of a mint green, just a real eye-catching color. I love the color on the car. It really sets it off with the wheels, the 5-spoke Krager American racing style wheels. Front disc brakes on this car, power steering, power brakes. It also has vintage air conditioning. Now, this car was body off, frame off, restored probably 20 to 25 years ago, and it still shows very well today. Very, very nice, clean old car. Interior super nice. Underneath the car is very nice, super solid. Inside the trunk, just the same. Body lines, gaps, fitment. Got that two-tone kind of green and blue, green and light green, or green, light green, a darker green. Interior kind of a tricolor seat combo. Dash is very nice. Visors, headliner, sail panels, package tray, all very, very nice as well. All the interior has been all redone. They use the original style material. Got the Bel-Air floor mats in it. Vintage air controls, little tripod of gauges. Retro stereo. It's got kick panel speakers. Little glove box. The 62 owner's manual's in there. A few extra fuses. 4-speed manual transmission in the car. Got all the factory gauges in it. 13,316 miles on it. Those are the miles we believe since the restoration took place. So, you know, they built the car to drive it. I know some people might say they don't like these tinted windows. I was kind of on the fence about it, but they look really good in person, so I left them alone. Underneath the hood is very, very nice as well. Hold on. Set you down for a second. There we go. Aluminum radiator. Serpentine belts, electric fan, a stock exhaust manifold's got a aluminum intake, Holley carburetor, say power steering, power brakes. Just a super nice old car. $49,900 is the price on this car. Yep, $49,900. Oh, I wanted to show you this. It's got a couple little, a little bubble here, one here. One here, a couple spots on the hood, 4 or 5 little like solvent pops or little imperfections in the paint in the hood. But you know, the car's been painted for a long time, so that's gonna be expected. The rest of the car looks very, very nice as far as I can see. Jams are very nice. Interior super nice. Just a real nice quality driver car. And $49,900, you could never think about building a car like this for $49,900. Nice little console it has as well. Wipers. Horn's not working unless it's got might have an alternate button for the horn. I haven't found yet, but I don't know if the horn works. Radio comes on. Voltage gauge, oil pressure gauge work good. Right headlight indicator. Just a real pretty car. Sounds great. Tail lights, turn signals. Headlamps. Glass in the car is all very nice too. And the stainless trim down the sides. I mean, it's got a couple of small little minor little dings or scuffs on it, but it's really nice. A little spot there, but all in all, really nice car. And I'm being nitpicky when I say that. The chrome bumpers, they're in real nice shape. The tail lights and the bezels around the tail lights, all real nice as well. Down bumps. Front bumper. We'll take her for a little spin. This is the first time I've driven this car. Just got this car in on trade just last week. It showed up on Friday. Ran it through the shop quick and away we go. Car drives really nice. Power steering. You can drive this car with 2 fingers on the wheel. Speedometer works. Fuel gauge, tachometer. All the tripod gauges down below there. See the temperature gauge is just starting to come off the needle. Little peg there, so. Real good running and driving an old car. I just love these old cars. Come to a stop here. I'll get out and do a little walk around with you. Brakes work good. I just love the color. I got a 36 Buick right now that is about the same exact color. Really a eye catcher. Paint on it's really nice. tip gauge coming up now, so make sure that I wasn't telling you something that wasn't true. That's what I try to do. I try to be honest and show you and tell you what I know about these cars. They're old cars. Are any of them perfect? No, but they're very, very nice cars. You know, even some of the rotisserie restored cars you get, there has to be a couple bugs on them, you know. I mean, it's just the way it is. They're still old cars at the end of the day. There, we ran down that motorcycle. I don't want to run him over, but we ran him down. This car runs really, really well. It likes 65, 70 mile an hour. Just a great running old car. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com, KINION auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty inventory every day. So give us a call on this 1962 Chevrolet Bel-Air. Again, $49.9 is the price. Crate 350, 4-speed steering, brakes, and air. Thanks for watching, everyone, and enjoy your afternoon. Talk to you soon.